Hello everyone and welcome to the exciting camping vlog. So today we are going to Creek Conservation Park again, but it's another campsite. It's a Stringybark Campsite and it's situated in forest. It's 2-hour travel, so we need to keep the child busy. So for that I have this car seat table. It's really good, it's waterproof, and your toddler can eat here or you can give some snacks. And this is for mobile phone, so your toddler can watch her favorite movies or cartoons, whatever they like. It's a small pocket here, and it's a teddy bear holder or whatever you want to hold, and it's water bottle holder here, and another holder. I have kept some wipes and these markers and colors over here. There's another pocket over here, and I have kept some snacks inside it. So it's really cool and really convenient whenever you are going for a camping trip or road trip. My toddler is not fond of like junk, so she only eats these organic carrot puffs and some other flavors like corn and blueberry flavor. Okay, so finally we are at our campground. You can see there. It's campsite 15. You can see it's really spacious. So here is our tent and our toilet tent, our car, and that's our small kitchen. This is a place for campfire, but unfortunately we cannot have campfire because it's summer season and campfires are banned till like 30th April. So you can see we are in the forest. It's amazing to be here. So good weather. It's a shady campground, so even in sunlight we can get some shade. And look over there, it's another campsite. Okay, so this is our small kitchen box. It's a storage box. I have kept some Ziploc bags, pans. These are some wipes and cloves, tea. This is dishwashing soap, and the steel glass, steel bowl, and it's a pan for tea. This is oil bottle. Here are some garbage bags, some spoons and turner, and this is a knife for cutting vegetables or anything we want. And here are some freezer bags. So this is the and yeah, we have steel plates and some other things in the other storage box. It's a Dyson vacuum, hand vacuum, rechargeable vacuum, and you can use it in camps or even in cars. So it's really convenient. This one is portable electric pump. So it's basically for mattresses. We have air mattresses. And this is a collapsible tub. You can use it in washing dishes or keeping something you want. This is a 25-liter cooler, and what I have done is I have kept some frozen water bottles here. Like, it was empty almond milk bottle, so I just filled it with water and freezed it. So now they are frozen. And this is also an empty milk bottle which is frozen. I have kept some diced cucumbers, mint. This is yogurt, raita for the dinner, some eggs. These are fruits for smoothies. I have a portable blender also. I'll show it later. And this is for dinner. It's lemon here and one banana. These are some yogurt for toddler. Okay, we are done with our lunch and now we are going to a circuit walk. It's basically bush walk and it's 1 hour walk. So let's see how it is. Okay, I am making smoothie for my toddler. So I have some fruits ready for the smoothie. There are some blueberries, dates, almond butter, and strawberries. And here is some almond milk and banana. And this is the portable blender cup actually. So let's see how it works. This is our first aid box. So we have these bandages, nasal drops for kids, and this is teething gel, teething tablets, and some band-aids actually. These are the painkillers, some cottons, band-aids, cough syrup, and sanitizer, mosquito repellent, and some mosquito patches, cold sore cream, some balm, Vicks. So yeah.